Okay, so I shot this video because I wasn't able to find anything on YouTube that helped me out on the color coding on your air brake supply handles. Okay, so you got red, you've got yellow, parking, and then trailer air supply. So my problem is that my cruise control is not working when I'm driving down the road. It works when I'm in park. The voltage to the cruise control, the air supply is working. Plus, like I say, it works when I'm in park. So that indicates to me that I've got a bad electric over air switch. And this is the one that I pulled out right here. So the test is real simple. Hang on. You simply hook your ohm meter up or your continuity test, which indicates whether it's closed or open. And I get nothing. And I didn't get anything when there was voltage or air supply to it as well. So this is the culprit, and I'll get the results of it back up there in a minute. But here I am looking at the color coding, and I've got black coming out here. I've got red, and I've got green, okay? Red comes up here and splits into two, goes back into the parking brake supply, and then shoots back up in there in the dash and hits the pull handle. So that's obviously supply. Then you've got black coming back, and then you've got, oh, I'm sorry, is that racist? Tough shit, suck it up. Then you got green coming out here. Green comes down into the top. So that's got to be your trailer supply, because black comes down here, and when I push the trailer supply in, there you go. So I'll get back with you with the results on the cruise control. Goodbye.